Here I have Samsung Galaxy S10e, and let me show you how to zoom screen on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should find and pick Display, which is here. Now scroll down, and under font size and style, you will notice screen zoom, so just select it. And now simply by tapping on this scale, you can make the items on your screen smaller or larger. So as you can see, here is the display, or you can pick the smallest one. But let me pick the huge one. Let's go back and as you can see now, everything is way larger. If you would like to go back to default settings or maybe to the smaller one, just go to the settings one more time, pick the display. You will definitely not miss it with this huge letters, then screen zoom, and now let me pick the middle option, so the default one. And let's go back. And now as you can see, you are in the previous setting. So now you can change the size of your screen. You can zoom it whenever you want to. Enjoy it. Please subscribe our channel, leave the thumbs up.